What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Do me a quick favor, hit that like button, press that subscribe button. Now let's talk about it. We are doing big things right now in the cryptocurrency market. Let me go ahead and get this out the way. This is not financial advice. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency. Before investing into anything, please consult with a professional licensed financial advisor. This video is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes only. Y'all know YouTube be all on your boy helmet, so I gotta place those disclaimers at the beginning or somewhere in the video of YouTube. Please relax on your boy Stock Holiday. Hey, so cryptocurrency is doing this thing. We are at a major peak, at a major place, pivotal point, crucial point in cryptocurrency. What did we see yesterday? I told you guys we could really see both Ethereum and Bitcoin make new all-time highs at the same time. What did we see yesterday? Bitcoin, new all-time high, $124,400, whatever it was. That was a new all-time high. I was expecting it to go a little bit past that, not just stop right there. But what did it do? 125 must have been that particular level to where, you know what, boom, it's going to get rejected right there. Typically, it's at an even number, 15,000, 20,000, or 115,000, 120,000, 125,000 rejected, 130,000 rejected. But sometimes Bitcoin just blows right through those numbers. So you kind of never really know what the heck Bitcoin is going to do. But nevertheless, new all-time highs was made again yesterday. For the remainder of this year, we will be talking about new all-time highs for Ethereum, new all-time highs for Bitcoin. That is what part of the cycle that we're in. We're at the top. Things are explosive and things are heating up very quick. You want to make sure that you really have your ducks in a row. You want to make sure that you have your chess pieces in their proper places. This is chess, this is not checkers. This is chess that we're dealing with right now. At the end of this cycle, we're playing chess. No longer checkers to where you're trying to jump over people and triple jump. You have to be strategic and have the right pieces in the right places so you don't get wrecked and so you don't slip up and trip up and be waiting for the 2028 Bitcoin halving because you blew it and didn't properly proceed during the 2025 top of the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum, we saw Ethereum get very close to $4,800. It got rejected like we had expected. We didn't think it was going to shoot right past the all-time high. Figured it was going to get rejected like Bitcoin did before it made its new all-time high. This is just typically what happens when we are experiencing new all-time highs for the various cryptocurrency coins. $4,700 and some change. We got rejected. Boom, we came all the way back down, $4,300, $4,400. And right now we're kind of making a recovery with Ethereum and with Bitcoin. But nevertheless, we're in phase two. So the fact that we're in phase two, I am focusing on Ethereum. I'm watching Bitcoin, but most importantly, I'm focusing on what Ethereum is doing. Bitcoin will trade sideways. It'll make new all-time highs here and there, but we're in phase two. In phase one, what was we paying attention to? Phase one, all of our focus was on Bitcoin. Phase two, my focus is on Ethereum because I need to know and kind of need to time when phase three will be happening. Once phase three starts, then my focus will be on the items and the cryptocurrency altcoins that will be running in phase three. So that's how I'm navigating through. That's how I'm playing chess towards the end of this cycle, making sure that I make as much profits, as much gains as possible, and protecting my neck, making sure I don't get wrecked. So great things are happening right now. The Fear and Greed Index is at 68. We're in greed. We're very close to extreme greed. But one of the things that I was thinking about last night or this morning, I was like, you know what? Last cycle, we were experiencing stuff like this. We'll see the market run up, and I'll look at my profits. I'll be like, oh, cool. And then the next day, we'll have a little bit of a pullback, and I'll be like, damn, I done lost this amount of thousands. I'm looking at the pullbacks. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and move this money out here because I don't want to lose no more. And then the next day or that same day, the market go right back up. And I'll be like, damn, I shouldn't have moved it. Over trading is a real thing. Making sure that I don't make the same mistakes that I did last time. Patience has proven to be one of the best things that I could have applied during this particular cycle. What I'm doing right now, I'm going to continue to be patient. The market took a little bit of dip. Let me just go ahead and sit there because I know we will be making new all-time highs again. Solana will be higher than what it is right now. Ethereum will get higher than what it is right now. These altcoins will get higher than what they are today. So why am I selling today? Why am I trying to be the smartest in the room? Why am I panicking right now and selling? Also remember, do not sell in the red. Buy low, sell high. Why are you selling low? Is what I'm constantly telling myself. I got to constantly remind myself because your natural instincts will be, damn, let me protect myself. I see the market is dipping. I see the market is red. Let me sell. Sticking to the fundamentals. Trust in the process. When the market is red, when these prices are getting low, you do not sell low. You sell high. When the market is green and everything is happy-go-lucky, then you should be thinking about selling. Then you should be thinking about taking profits. If you don't learn anything, if you don't understand anything, never sell low and buy high. You want to do the opposite. You want to sell high and buy low. And that is exactly what we have been doing this entire cycle because we got a better understanding of how to invest in cryptocurrency and the stock market. So many plays I've been buying low. I see these plays beat down. I said, damn, it's down 20%. Let me get a little bit of skin in the game. Last cycle, I was scared to buy something that was down. I'm like, nah, I'm going to wait till it go up. What? You want to wait till it go up? Oh, you want to buy high. AKA getting wrecked 101. Buying high and selling low is what I was doing last cycle, getting wrecked, and I still made a lot of money last cycle. This cycle, whole script have changed because of the knowledge that I've gained from the previous cycle. That's why I tell you guys, very important to find you a cryptocurrency community. If you're not in the Stock Holiday Patreon, click that link, join us in the Patreon, ask me any question it is that you want. We're at a pivotal point in this cryptocurrency cycle. If you do not get it right, you're going to be waiting for 2028, the Bitcoin halving. I'm still going to be right there with you because I've learned so much more this cycle. I can't wait till next cycle. I'm looking forward to 2028. I'm expecting to knock it out the park, continue to knock it out the park this cycle, but there's still a lot more to be made during next cycle. Cryptocurrency is going nowhere. Last cycle, people thought cryptocurrency was over. The cycle before that, they thought cryptocurrency was over. Once we get to the top this cycle, crypto winter come, the bear market come, guess what's going to happen? People are going to think cryptocurrency is over. What are they going to do? Forget about it. They're going to back out. And people like you and I who understand the 4-year cycle, who understand the 4 phases of cryptocurrency, we're going to be waiting 500 days before the Bitcoin halving. I'm going to be right there, first one in line. Y'all going to pull up. Y'all going to say, damn, coach, you in line already? Told y'all, 500 days before the Bitcoin halving 2028, your boy Stock Holiday will be the first one in line. Why? Because I'm trusting the process. I'm paying attention to the trends of each and every cycle. The more cycles that we are able to get through, the more knowledge, the more information that is placed out there for us to properly proceed, for us to run the play better than we ran it the previous cycle. Last cycle, wasn't a lot of information out there, getting my butt kicked. This cycle, a little bit more information out there. I learned a lot more. Now I've been kicking the cycles and kicking the market butt, making a lot of money this cycle and expecting to continue to make a lot of money towards the end of the cycle. We haven't even seen the parabolic run yet. Now that is where the bulk, that's where I'm expected to make the bulk of my money, doing that parabolic run, doing the official altcoin season, which could be hours away. Could be days away, could be weeks away. Excuse me. Nevertheless, it is right there. It is right there in our vision, right there in the area, very close. Do not give up now. We've come too far. We've been dollar cost averaging for far too long to give up now. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, we are right there in the mix of things. Excuse me, great things are expected to happen. FOMC meeting is going to be looking good. September, I'm expecting September. I'm looking for from interest rates to get cut. Think that right there really could set it off. October could be massive. FOMC meeting is at the end of September. End of September? Think so. Maybe the middle. But end of September, beginning of October, quarter four, that could be it. Ethereum very close to making new all-time highs. Who knows? Ethereum can make a new all-time high today. Got very close yesterday. I was looking at my portfolio. I was looking at Solana. I'm like, good thing I was dollar cost averaging into Solana when it was $90. I was scrolling back, looking at some of my entries. I was looking at some of my DCA plays. I'm like, good thing I was dollar cost averaging into Chainlink when it was about $11, $10, because all of these things have doubled since. Nothing wrong with a 1x, 2x, 3x. A lot of the large cap plays, these have been my safe plays. I know I will make money in those plays. Some of my more high risk plays, low cap plays, waiting until it's low cap season. Waiting until the phase for low cap coins will start to present itself. Right now, it's just phase 2. Ethereum, we've been making a lot of money in Ethereum, and some of the large cap coins have also been elevating, have also been increasing, getting prepared. Kind of like preschool. We're in pre-phase of phase 3. Some of the altcoins are starting to pump, large cap coins. I was looking at Solana in particular. I'm like, Crowcoin, making a lot of money, 2-3x. That is a lot of money in my book. Some folks are looking for the 10x, 30x, 40x. I would love to have those, but I know it's not that phase yet. I'm understanding what phase that we're in, phase 2, so I'm cool with the small increases. Looking at my portfolio, I see it increasing up a little bit more, taking baby steps, and sooner, very soon, we will see the giant steps. We will see the explosive blow off tops, and that is what we have been waiting on for years. That's why I was first in the line for the 2024 Bitcoin halving, and that's why I will be first in the line again for the 2028 Bitcoin halving. 500 days before the Bitcoin halving, the 2028, your boy Stock Holiday will be the first in line. I'm going to have bottled waters on deck. I'm going to have sandwiches on deck. I'm going to have chairs, because I'm going to be expected to spend nights right there waiting in line, waiting for the doors to open up. I will be the first in line. If you want to get in line right behind me, I'll have a bottle of water for you too. We can hang out, tell some jokes as we wait for 2028. Bitcoin halving is what we will be planning for. This cycle is not quite over with yet, but we've learned so much in this cycle. Quarter 4 could be spectacular. We're expecting a awesome ending for 2025, quarter 4, October, November, December. I'm expecting to make a boatload of money. You know what else I'm expecting to hear in quarter 4? I'm expecting to hear, who is it? Man, my bag's gonna be packed. I'm expecting to hear that knock at the door. You hear that knock at the door, you know things are exploding. You hear that knock at the door, you know it's the parabolic trend. You know it's the banana curve. My man Raul Paul might even show up and knock on my door and say, Coach, it's me. Been telling you about that banana curve. Come on in. Michael Saylor might even knock at my door and say, Coach, come on. You know I've been telling you I'm a Bitcoin maxi. Things are exploding. We waiting for you. Come on and get in. And then we might even pull up to your house, all 3 of us, say, hey, y'all hear the door knocking. You ready? If you ain't ready, okay, we gone. We going to the next person. You ready? Come on in. Good thing your bags are packed. You want to be ready. You want to be caught with and without. That is what we're doing. There's so much excitement in the cryptocurrency market right now. Come on over there. Join us in the Patreon. We have a great cryptocurrency community, and we would love to see you over there. But like I say, I just continue to come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.